Morning, my dear friends. Welcome back to your channel. Today we are going to discuss most important problem connected to our trigonometry, and it falls under NTSC examination level 1, nothing but stage 1 here. So let us start now. If A plus B is 90 degrees, then tan A into tan B plus tan A into cot B by sin A into sec B minus sin square A by cos square A. Its value had been determined. The options are given: cos square A, cos square B minus tan square A minus cot square A. Okay. So by looking over the expression, don't be afraid of it. And this also falls under here TS of AP. SSC of TS and AP, at the same time Polyset examinations and various Olympiads. Let us start now. So given solution now. First of all, given. What is our given expression here? Nothing but the given condition first. A plus B is 90 degrees. So what do you mean by A plus B is 90 degrees? A and B are congruent to each other. They are congruent triangles, as you know very well. This implies, I can write now, A is equal to 90 degrees minus A, and B is equal to 90 degrees minus B. B is equal to 90 degrees minus A. From this I have written A, and from this I have written, A is equal to 90 degrees minus B. Okay. And B is equal to 90 degrees minus C. Okay. So these two we are going to use in our expression. So consider now our expression. What is our expression here? Write down the expression. So tan A into tan B plus tan A into cot B by, I can write here, sin A into sec B minus sin square B by, here it is, cos square A. Okay. So we have to determine the simplified form here. Under the conditions where A plus B is 90 degrees, then I have been expressed A is equal 90 minus B and B is equal 90 minus A. So let us go through it now. So here now I can write tan A, I can write it as tan of A. I have been expressed 90 minus B, no? So 90 minus 90 degrees minus B into tan B plus tan A again. Same, I can write it as tan of A, I can write it as 90 degrees minus B by, here, sin A into sec B, I can write it as again 90 degrees minus, so tan of 90 minus B, and here it is cot B. This cot B by, here sec of 90 degrees minus A in the place of B, minus leftover part is nothing but, I can write it as sin square. So sin B I can write it as sin of 90 degrees minus A, since it has square, so the whole square, by cos square A. So I have been changed tan A, and here again tan A, next here sec B have been changed, and here the numerator sin B. You can change the other parts also according to your convenient way. So this is the important step throughout the problem. Again here we know that tan of 90 minus theta, this is in the form of, so nothing but cot theta. Here our theta is nothing but B into, again this is our tan A, tan B. The same again, tan of 90 minus B, nothing but cot B, and this is our same, the cot B, by sin A, and this is nothing but sec of 90 minus A, nothing but cosec A. So cosec theta is nothing but A, minus, we know that sin of 90 minus theta is cos theta, since we have square, so cos square A by, here the cos square A. So here now I am going to list out the formulas connected to this one, what have been applied. Here let us go through it now. First one, tan of 90 minus theta is cot theta, or cot of 90 minus theta is tan theta. Next, here I have been used next sin of 90 minus alpha is cos alpha. Next, one more I have been used here. Which one? Sec. So sec of 90 degrees minus epsilon, nothing but cosec epsilon, belongs to symbol nothing but the Greek letter is epsilon here. These three have been applied here. Where have been applied? This one have been changed, this one, and next what have been changed? This one, and the next this one have been changed. The four have been changed. I have written this one. So this is our star here. Okay, and these are the formula have been applied. For the problem. Okay, so this I have been substituted by star. Now let us go through the remaining part. I hope that up to half you have been understood. This is the main part. Remaining only the simplification. Now next, we know that tan and cot are reciprocal to each other. So now I can write this is tan B. Okay, so sorry, this is 1 by tan B. I can write, and this one is tan B, or cot B you write and write it as the 1 by cot B, that is your wish, plus again this is cot B into cot B is cot square B, x into x is x square, by here. Next, sin A into 1 by sin A, plus here, sorry, here it is minus 1 because both get cancelled. Okay, so here also both get cancelled. What is the leftover part here? I am going to write here the leftover part, nothing but 1 plus this one is nothing but cot square B by sin A and sin A get cancelled by 1 and minus 1. This has been cancelled. So finally 1 plus cot square B minus 1 is equal to cot square B. So this is our answer. Cot square B stands for, our option is nothing but here. The B option is nothing but the B option. So if you observe carefully, we have been used the reciprocals as this one. So now I can write also what have been applied here. Fourth one, tan of, here what have been applied, tan A, tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta, or cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta have been applied. Next, also have been applied sin A is equal to 1 by cosec A, or cosec A is equal to 1 by sin A. So in this way I have been applied all the total 5 formulae of trigonometry. Okay. So here this is a question, and this is also meant for the competitive examinations. What are the various competitive examinations? Here Polyset, and for the boards, here what are the various boards here? SSC of TS and AP. Also, so once you have a look, so this is a detailed analysis of the given problem of trigonometry. Once you have a look, so please viewers, this is NTSC 2016-17 paper. It is also meant for various competitive examinations, also at the same time Polyset. Okay, I hope so you like the video a lot, and it is also meant for CBSE boards also, ICSE boards also. After watching the video, like, share, comment and subscribe. Still those who did not subscribe my channel. Signing out, this is your Santosh.